In this video, I'll compare two powerful AI coding tools, Claude Code and Cursor AI, and help you figure out which one fits your workflow better. Let's start with Claude. Claude, built by Anthropic, is a powerful conversational AI designed for developers who work with large, complex codebases. It excels at deep reasoning. You can paste in full files, entire error logs, or tricky architecture questions, and Claude responds with thoughtful suggestions that actually make sense. It's perfect for reviewing overall project structure, fixing tough bugs that span multiple files, cleaning up legacy code, or even just getting a step-by-step explanation of confusing logic. Think of it as a coding partner with a big picture mindset. Now on to Cursor AI. Cursor is a VS Code-based AI editor, so it runs right inside your coding environment. It gives real-time suggestions, can autocomplete code, explain snippets, and even generate whole functions based on comments. However, it's more focused on day-to-day coding than high-level architecture. It doesn't analyze huge codebases quite as deeply as Claude, but for fast tasks, it's incredibly efficient. While it might not reason through massive codebases like Claude can, it's incredibly efficient for rapid development, fixing smaller issues, and writing clean, fast code. So which one is better? Use Claude if you're solving complex problems or working across multiple files. Use Cursor if you want speed, real-time editing, and a smoother workflow inside your IDE. Honestly, many developers use both, Claude for thinking, Cursor for building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.